Ever wondered about selling your handmade products on Amazon? There's a unique corner of the global marketplace just for you, Amazon Handmade. Let's delve into the process of setting up your own Amazon Handmade shop. First things first, you'll need an Amazon seller account. Head over to the Amazon Seller Central website to sign up. Remember, this is your first step into the world of online entrepreneurship. Once you've created your seller account, it's time to apply to sell on Amazon Handmade. Amazon will review your application to ensure your products align with their handmade criteria. Rest assured, it's not as daunting as it might sound. Upon approval, you'll be granted the ability to create product listings. The secret sauce here is high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and accurate pricing. Keep in mind, Amazon Handmade typically requires products to be handcrafted, hand-altered, or hand-assembled. Now comes the fun part, setting up your handmade shop. Customizing your shop with a banner, profile picture, and a compelling About section will help you create a unique brand identity and build trust with potential customers. Next, pricing. It's important to consider the cost of materials, labor, and additional expenses. Keep in mind, Amazon charges various fees for selling on their platform. To avoid any unpleasant surprises, ensure you factor these into your pricing strategy. Shipping and fulfillment is the next step. Choose your shipping methods and set up your shipping rates. You can either fulfill orders yourself or use Amazon's fulfillment service to handle storage, packing, and shipping. Customer service is a cornerstone of any successful business. Strive to respond promptly to customer inquiries, address any concerns, and maintain a positive seller rating. Remember, a happy customer is a returning customer. Marketing is key. Amazon provides advertising tools to promote your products. Consider leveraging external marketing strategies like social media to drive traffic to your Amazon Handmade shop. Finally, managing inventory. Keep your product listings up to date and manage your inventory to avoid overselling. Amazon provides tools to help you track your inventory levels. In a nutshell, setting up an Amazon Handmade shop involves creating an Amazon seller account, applying for Amazon Handmade, creating product listings, setting up your shop, determining pricing, managing shipping and fulfillment, providing excellent customer service, marketing your products, and managing inventory. It's a journey, but with these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a successful entrepreneur on Amazon Handmade.